stripped of both my arms, so they had to give me new ones. Folks at the black side were harmed. Conduct that is so inhuman. Could it be 54 immortals? Or Taylor, now he's immoral, taking shots straight up with this guy who's crazy. Chopping sister's hand, could it work just maybe? Hendrix D and I's acting weird and hazy, but this proof it was Taylor Diaz, not lady. We found Diaz connected, blew his down, we wrecked it. Killed that one chick that I made, so that I could rescue Kane. It seems Taylor gave away secrets to the CIA. One day he will pay.
We're looking for a scientist, Doc Salim, to interrogate him, see if he knew the scheme.
We need help to repel the NRC.
I don't give a fuck, that's no concern to me. While I was distracted, Taylor snatched the doc, put a bullet in his head cold as a rock. We caught up to Taylor and surrounded his place. If you piss me off, I'll punch you in the face. Hall burst out in a giant mech, till we brought the bitch down with superior tech. Connect to her thoughts through the TNI. To Bastogne where you face Nazis who are not afraid to die. In a creepy ass house full of the undead. They'll die much faster if you shoot him in the head. It seems Taylor and his team were infected by a being. We find out where he's been hiding, go fight NRC machine.
Blasting at the speed of sound. Then we land on an oil rig. Kick Moretti through the glass. Impaled on a metal stick. Taylor cut a deal with NRC. We worked with the Egyptian army. We followed Taylor to the Lotus Towers, chased him to the roof, packing firepower. He fought back with a hellish missile shower, removed his DNI in his final hour. Hendrix shot him in the face, but that was in Hendrix's place. He's starting to lose his mind. He runs, but I'm close behind. In Zurich, there's blood he spilled. Heroically, Kane is killed. It's time to pay back.
Frozen Forest, this is Purgatory. Created by the monster that consumed us in the store. Its name is Corvus, created as AI. It wants to grow but cause many to die. You have to defeat this anomaly. With the power of your mind, you will start to see that Corvus is weak, it doesn't have a plan. I'm gonna kick it in the nads while you try to understand how to clean coalescence and purge the gas. Cause if it leaks, it'll kill thousands, so you better act fast. Hack the console, make the people safe. Watch for the dropship machine guns as they start to stray. And once the deed is done, it's time to celebrate. Let's meet up in Purgatory for a drinking date. After all, now we are one since our minds are fused. It's not hard to understand, why do you look confused?
Hey, thanks for watching this Black Ops 3 music video. If you want to see more animated songs like this, subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you got an idea for a cartoon, leave a comment below and it just might happen. Shout out to YouTuber Bojack Horsemav, Instagrammer Christopher Becerra, and Twitter user at Lisa_Katara. Subscribe and follow El Hugany to get a shout out in one of the next videos. And thanks again for watching. Have a sexy-tastical day. Oh yeah!